To enable or disable screen reader usage hints in Samsung Galaxy S10, open Settings. Swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. And then tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Tap Screen Reader. Tap Settings. Tap Verbosity. On usage hints, tap switch until blue to enable or tap until gray to disable. If enable usage hints, read usage hints aloud after a brief delay when you swipe to focus on an item. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.